Hi, I am Riddhi and this is my final project for Code in Place. This project is called Circuit Note. It's basically like a simulation game where you place battery, switch, resistor and potentiometer in a circuit to make the LED glow. Let's run the project. Welcome to Circuit Note. We have these 5 components here: battery, resistor, switch, potentiometer and LED. This is the first level of this game. So I'm choosing this element by selecting it, and let's place it in one of the empty spaces here. Let's use another element. Now finally I have placed all the 3 elements, but this says check again and the level is reset now. So let me place them in the correct combination: resistor and battery. Okay, this is the correct combination here, and now this will animate the circuit. Here LED is glowing in all rainbow colors, 7 colors, by brightening and then fading away. So now this level is done. Let's go to the next level. This next level has switch in the place of resistor, so we can switch on and off the LED. I'll place the components in the wrong order first to see if okay, it's prompting. Check again once more. Now let me place it in a correct order: LED here, switch here and the battery here. Now let's wait for it to check the circuit if it's right and then animate. Now we have a button here. The button, with this button we can press it on and then switch it off again. So let's press and turn it on. Wow, the LED is switched on. We have red LED here. Let's switch it off. The LED is switched off. Okay, now this second level is done. Let's check the third level by pressing the next button. Again I am placing the components in a wrong order. Check again. So after this level is reset, let's place in the right order. Potentiometer goes here and battery here. Correct. Now it will animate once more. We have here a slider. The slider is because we turn the potentiometer left and right to show the different resistance offered here, but I've placed the slider here, so let's move the slider and okay, the slider in the minimum position. We have this very lightly glowing LED, and when to the other extreme we have this strongly glowing one, so it's basically brightening the LED. Now it's fading away. Now we are going opposite and it's brightening. So this is the third circuit, the third level. Let's go next. Congratulations. So we have 3 levels here and the game is complete. Next. Congratulations, all levels completed. This game is done. I have used graphics here to simulate a small game where we connect components and then simulate those components and watch how they all connect and work. This can be very useful when we make larger circuits and it's easy to understand the working. It is informative and again easy to remember. I'm really happy that I have learned the graphics part here. Thank you, coding place. Thank you, everyone. Bye.